In 1872, in the heart of Indiana, a small family company set out to make something that would last. Today, that same commitment lives on in every Seymour Midwest tool and every industry we serve. Tools that are made in America, built to last. From job sites to backyard projects, our tools work as hard as the people who use them, because they're not just made for now. They are made to be used, worn in, and handed down to the next generation of builders, growers, and doers. Because every handle, every blade, every tool assembled carries more than just a job to do. It carries a legacy.